To search for images on the internet, you should normally only go to a search engine and type keywords to show the right ones in the results. But often it is not enough to define with words and you need a reverse image search process. These search engines show automatically similar images. These are the most practical and useful. Sign Eye. Press the Select File button to load the image you will use as a base. You can also indicate a URL where it can be found. Wait a few seconds and you will have dozens of results with similar images. In a special module, you will find a multicolor engine, a more advanced tool that allows you to select up to 5 colors within a palette and see a real-time results of images that have the selected colors. It is also possible to extract the color palette from an uploaded image. Wisty. It stands out for its nice and simple interface that allows multiple searches by keywords or from images stored on the computer with the camera button, but stands out even more for integrating results from images published on Pinterest. This guarantees the novelty of many of them. RedImg. Upload an image from your computer or from an URL, define a category from the drop-down menu to better filter the results, and finally, select a specific region of the image or the entire image to start the search. The results are organized with colors highlighting their efficiency percentage. Yandex. In the results, you can see some pages in which the same photograph appears, although what is really remarkable are the similar images. You will see other photos of the same person, the same building or the same object, or of people, building, or objects very similar.